Hi Leos, and Janetta here with Enlightened Spirit Tarot. Getting ready to do a reading for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This will not be a directed read. We're just going to pull on whatever your current energies is, how you're feeling, what's going on with you. Hopefully you get advice from Source, or get a word from them, things that need to come in. Cards just laid on the table. We're going to get started. First card out, Leo. Queen of Pentacles. I'm going to take these because they all came out. Ten of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. And the Eight of Wands. So let's talk about these, Leo. Queen of Pentacles. This is an energy that is practical, business-minded, maybe be a business owner, property owner, land, someone who is smart in the business world, someone who has spent years watching, growing their wealth, their finances, okay, someone that is abundant, someone that grows the coin, okay, all right, Queen of Pentacles. Rooted in tangible things, practical things, needs being maintained, okay. Then we have the Ten of Swords. It's of the mind, swords energy, someone feeling backstabbed, betrayed, someone being broken or feeling hurt. Leo, could you be feeling like someone maybe backstabbed you when dealing with your finances? We're going to keep looking, okay? We'll keep digging until we get a whole story. All right, Ten of Pentacles. This is about generational wealth. This is about what was grown, what was nurtured, as far as things, again, that are of this world, that you would have businesses and ownership of property, okay, legacy, growth, abundance, absolutely. Maybe you're feeling like someone backstabbed you and maybe it affected your legacy or affected a business or brand. We're going to keep going, Leo. You could be taking on this earth energy, okay? Leo, as the Queen of Pentacles, someone that's been watching your money, feeling a betrayal when it comes to your legacy, okay? That's where we are so far. The fourth card. Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is action. It's fire energy. It's quick communication. Communicating this, or communication either coming in about the situation when it comes to your money, when it comes to your overall happiness and how stable your foundation is and your generational wealth. Okay. You're needing to communicate something. Okay. Quickly communicate something. Let's keep going for you, Leo. Three of Cups. Three of Cups is right under you, or Queen of Pentacles. Three of Cups speaks of celebrations with families or friends. Okay? It also can speak of a third party or an interruption in a relationship. Okay? Cups, this is love, emotional energy, right under the Queen of Pentacles. We're going to pull some more cards so that we can pull together a story here. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is about choices and options. When it comes to something emotional in love, okay? This, to talk about daydreaming, okay? And this is under the Ten of Swords. A partnership that you chose, or your partner, someone you chose, backstabbed or betrayed you, possibly, Leo. Or they had other options. Five of Cups came out with that stack as well. Five of Cups is emotion again. Cups, we're talking about love here. We're talking about love and the stability of it. And a betrayal, okay? Emotions, love. Five of Cups is about disappointment, upset, depression. This is under the Ten of Pentacles. Could be a situation that, Leo, maybe you built a foundation, or built a relationship up, a legacy with a partner that possibly backstabbed you, or that you possibly backstabbed. Got feeling depressed and disappointment, not being able to lift your head up and see that moving forward it can be done, that you still have what it takes to move forward. There's still filled cups behind you. There's still options. The Magician came out in that stack. The Magician is about manifesting, using magic, if you will, to bring about something that you want, using all of the tools in front of you in order to move forward in your goal, with your goal. Being smart, being intelligent enough to do this, knowing your stuff, knowing what it takes. This is under the Eight of Wands. This could be you needing to take action with the tools that are in front of you in order to bring about whatever it is you're praying for, or whatever your goals are. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Okay. Stability again. This is someone that's holding on to their coin, holding on to what they have, holding on tightly to what they have. Four of Pentacles. Three of Wands came out next. Three of Wands is waiting for a return, okay, of efforts that was put in. One wand, a thought of an action, thinking of, conjuring up, thinking of what actions and steps to take. Two, putting your best foot forward, actually putting in effort towards what you cooked up, okay? And three is waiting, you know, for the return of your efforts. So let's see here. Yeah. So it looks like you could possibly have been dealing with an earth sign, or this is your energy here, Leo, that Queen of Pentacles energy, someone that has built themselves, has built something firm by themselves, and then all right, taking on the energy of a Queen of Pentacles, okay? This is somebody that is has ideals on how to make money, knows how to earn and how to build abundance, okay? 10 of Swords came in. There was some backstabbing or some betrayal when it comes to your legacy, your name, your family name, your businesses, okay? Communication happened, okay? Rapid communication. It could have inspired energy. Maybe there was some, it could have been some harsh words, some quick things that came in. And you also have the Three of Cups under the Pentacles, maybe with friends, maybe one of your friends could have backstabbed you, family member, a lover, possibly. Someone backstabbed someone because they had other options, or they were daydreaming of other options, or other options were in there or was orbiting around them, and it, you know, it might have not been for the greater or higher good, but they couldn't see that. And it looks like all I could see is that, you know, I have some choices here. Okay, it led to disappointment within this relationship, whether it's a friendship, family member, or your other half. This situation brought in disappointment and depression. Okay, you communicating, or you, this is you communicating that you will move on from this, or a source telling you that you need to get going with moving forward on this, manifesting through many different channels, but mostly using what it is you know to be able to hold on to some of your pentacles, okay? Went from a 10 of Pentacles to a 4. You might have had a loss, Leo, because of this person or these people. Might have suffered a loss. Okay, and you're trying to manifest what it is you want. You want to hold on to your coins and your legacy, your pentacles, your stability. Okay, so you're working towards that, wanting your ships to come back, wanting to see a return of abundance. Anything else for Leo? Advice, messages that need to come out. Collaboration card came out. This is the Three of Pentacles. This is about collaborating, working with someone to create something stable, a solid foundation. Maybe you were working with someone. Were you working with someone, Leo? Trying to collaborate with them, or are you collaborating with them now? Queen of Swords, being clear, discerning, using your head, okay, when it comes to this situation, this partnership, needing to cut it off because it's become a burden. Here with the Ten of Wands, coming out of the energy and getting ready to just let it all go. Wanting your wishes to be fulfilled, keeping your faith, trying to maintain a balance within yourself, you know, speaking to source, God's source, trying to replenish yourself, trying to become balanced again. So Leo, looks like someone tried to break you, tried to harm what it was that was put together. Okay, simply by choices that they made or other situations that they got into, okay, led to some disappointment and you feeling burdened, okay. Maybe you were letting them know that you're gonna do whatever it takes to get to reach your goal and to do the things that you need to do for self, that you're gonna hold on to your coins, possibly after a loss, dealing with this situation. Okay, waiting for your ships to come in, still putting in those efforts, keeping the faith, putting the burden of this down, okay, laying it down, being discerning, paying attention to what's going on, what you're dealing with, cutting out folks or things, entities that shouldn't be in your orbit that is causing clutter and chaos, okay, within a partnership and with working together. So there's someone that you were working with or collaborating with that that relationship cost you, okay, it cost you, but moving forward you will be blessed. Okay, here with the wish card, the star card, it's the wish card. You will be blessed because you are in faith that you can manifest and you know, be able to have the things that you want moving forward. You're going to use your intuition, and you're going to use, you know, discernment to moving forward in the future with partnerships. Okay, all right, Leo. So that was your energy and also advice all in one. Okay, just being more discerning about who you work with, who you let in your environment, who you're dealing with. Okay, keeping your faith. All right, being blessed and having your wishes fulfilled, coming out of these energies of these tens of feeling backstabbed and betrayed and feeling like it's a burden on you. Okay, you looks like you're rebuilding here with the Four of Coins or the Four of Pentacles, and also the Three of Wands and the Magician card, getting your legs back. Okay, all right, Leo, like that for you. You're taking actions to do what you need to do moving forward, and not staying stuck or stagnant in a situation that caused a loss for you. All right, I'm going to ask that you will like, share, and subscribe to Enlightened Spirit Tarot. I'll ask that you return on another occasion. Leave a comment, okay? If you got any questions, or if you just want to comment, I will respond to you. And thanks again. Bye.